Why did Russia give up on one of its most powerful fighter jets? This is the Su-47 Berkut. It is a Russian fighter jet with wings that sweep forward instead of back. It looks strange, but it wasn't a mistake. Russia wanted a jet that could turn harder than anything else in the sky. Those forward-swept wings helped the jet stay stable during sharp turns. Now the pilot could point the nose more freely, but there was a big problem. At high speeds, air pressure tried to twist the wings instead of bending them safely. That twisting force was strong enough to tear the wings apart. To stop that, Russia had to use very expensive materials just to keep the wings attached. It was too risky and too costly. Only one Su-47 was ever built. It turns out flying backwards is only cool until your wings rip off.